Heat? Never put a fan in your styrofoam again and you will never buy air conditioning again. That's right, and the tip is very simple. You'll just need a styrofoam box and a fan like this. A very simple tip, and I'll teach you in a minute how to keep your house fresh. First, take the front part of the fan and position it right in the center of the styrofoam. Then, with the help of a pen, draw around exactly the size that we will need to cut out. So making the cut with a box cutter or knife is very simple. Once that's done, we'll come with the fan and with the front part already open, and with the help of a screwdriver, I'll make 4 holes. Repeat the same step by step exactly to avoid mistakes. These holes will be made to fit 4 cable ties. A very simple and quick tip that everyone can do at home. Now we will need 2 PVC curves and we will place them on the styrofoam. Once that's done, place 2 more 2-inch PVC pipes on the bottom, and then we'll just apply hot glue to the sides so that it's very firm and there's no wind passing through there. Your air is ready. Now just put ice inside the styrofoam. Here it only lasts 3 to 4 hours, but if you want ice that lasts more than 40 hours without defrosting, just mix water with cotton wool. It works like this: when you turn on the fan, it will blow the air downwards. The styrofoam box will already be at a low temperature, and the wind will blow all the cold air out. This actually freezes the house and is as powerful as an air conditioner. It will save your days in the scorching heat.